Here's one that I get asked an awful lot, and that is, how do I achieve a good work-life balance? Well, the simple answer to that one is I don't think I do achieve the perfect work-life balance. I think it is something that we probably have to accept is never going to be perfect. I don't think we ever reach that utopia. If there's anyone watching this that feels they have reached that place, then kudos to you. But I think that sometimes life's imperfections are what make it perfect. Constantly striving to achieve something that is better than what we have at the moment is part of life's journey. It's part of what makes that journey so exciting and challenging in equal measure. All I would say is that whilst I do enjoy a lot of time out, I do like to achieve some balance. Have I got it absolutely right? No, probably not. And of course, there are different perspectives in terms of that work-life balance, because what I perceive to be a good work-life balance would be perceived by someone else, maybe one of my brothers or sisters, or my mum, or people I want to spend time with. Would they see that as I see it? Probably not. What I would say is that I have perfected a little system, which I've talked about in videos previously, called the Yellow Box Diary System. And don't be fooled by yellow box. There's nothing particularly special about those words. I just use yellow as a colour. And I divide my diary, my time, into 3 separate and distinct parts. Yellow is the time I spend in my business, so that's dealing with clients, face-to-face, generating revenue, putting it crudely. The blue boxes are my strategic time. That's the time I need to take in order to prepare for those yellow box activities. That's the telephone calls, it's the business preparation, it's the paperwork, it's all the other things that I need to work on, maybe exams or bettering my knowledge, for example. And then the red boxes are the me time. So in, on and me are the 3 basic principles to dividing up my time. Now, interestingly, when I asked the question, which is the most important time that goes in the diary? First, most people would say revenue generation, because you have to establish a good foundation in life in order to create that balance, to give yourself the freedom and the flexibility to do the things that you want. I would argue that putting in the me time first and building your business around that time is the main reason why those people achieve a greater work-life balance than others. So make sure that your clients, your customers, work around you, not the other way around, because otherwise, unfortunately, you have a business that runs you, not a business that you run. So me time first, strategic time second, and in time third. If you get the 2 bits right first, that's the red box and the yellow and the blue box activity, the yellow box activity will take care of itself. So red boxes, blue boxes, me time, on time, and then in time should take care of itself. Once again, we're on that constant journey to get the perfect work-life balance. We might never get there, but making sure we've got systems and processes in place to get as close as we can is a prerequisite.